मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ 19 जून 2026। समय हो रहे हैं 8:39 और ये है एजुकेशनल वीडियो। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं एजुकेशनल वीडियो में। तो हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे अपर केस को सॉल्व करने के लिए। तो ये रहा हमारा अपर केस।
Good job! It's amazing! Woohoo! A is for apple. B. Well done! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! C is for ball. C. Woohoo! C is for cat.
C for cat. Cat means billy.
Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! D is for dog.
D for dog. Dog means kutta.
E. Well done! Amazing! Woohoo! E is for egg.
E for egg. Egg means anda.
F. Good job! Great! Woohoo! F is for flower.
F for flower. Flower means fool.
Pick a sticker. G. Well done. Woohoo! G is for grapes.
G for grapes. Grapes means angur.
H. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! H is for helicopter.
H for helicopter. Helicopter means helicopter.
I. Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! I is for ice cream.
I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream.
Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me? J. Woohoo! J is for joker.
J for joker. Joker means joker.
K. Well done! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! K is for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo.
L. Good job! Woohoo! L is for lion.
L for lion. Lion means sher.
Peekaboo! 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 Woohoo! M is for mouse.
M for mouse. Mouse means चूहा.
N. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! N is for nest.
N for nest. Nest means घोंसला.
Woohoo! O is for orange. Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. P. Ha. Well done. Great. Woohoo! P is for parrot.
P for parrot. Parrot means तोता.
Q. Good job. Woohoo! Q is for quail.
Q for squirrel. Squirrel means चिड़िया या गौरैया.
R. Well done. Picked. Amazing. Woohoo! R is for rocket.
R for rocket. Rocket means rocket.
Select your favorite stamp. S. Woohoo! S is for sun.
S for sun. Sun means सूर्य.
T. Good job. Woohoo! T is for turtle.
T is for turtle. Turtle means कछुआ.
U. Woohoo! U is for unicorn.
U for unicorn. Unicorn means unicorn.
V. Well done. Amazing. Woohoo! V is for violin.
V is for violin. Violin means violin.
W. Good job. Fantastic. Amazing. Woohoo! W is for whistle.
W is for whistle. Whistle means whistle.
X. Well done. Amazing. Woohoo! X is for X-ray.
X is for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray.
I'm hidden in the box. Can you find me? Wow! Good job! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo!
Y for yak. Yak means jungly bhaisa.
Z. Well done! Amazing! Woohoo! Z is for zebra.
G is for zebra. Zebra means daryai ghoda.